Guys, check it out. Our first Dark Horse, 2024 Dark Horse, 500 horsepower. Here it is. Look, Mustang Dark Horse right there. There's the badging, the wheels, sexy color. Woo! There's the inside of it. Look at that. Please start modeling for us some of the features of this vehicle. Oh, whoa! I like it. Is it comfy?
It's mad comfy, actually.
Yeah. How many miles are on it? 10,000. So he's been driving, he's been enjoying it. See, Ford Mustang Dark Horse. I like the white screen on it, that's cool. There's the back of it. So it sounds good. You can tell it sounds really good for being stock. Very nice. Got the sexy wing on it. He's gonna bring it in. We're gonna take the resonator off of it and put an X pipe in its place. A bolt-on X pipe. Go to the back and do some sound decibel testing. Look at the screen, guys, when he changes it. Sport. Oh, turns blue and it becomes. Wow. Give it gas now with the track. Keep it in. Oh, drag strip. Let's hear drag strip. This is track. Sorry. Do it again. 112 on the track mode. 117. Hey, put it in sport now. So this is sport now. So your normal city basically driving. That's sport. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So it's still loud. A little bit different. Put it in comfort mode. And stock one. Here's sound decibels now. So it's right at 110. It brought it down 7 decibels. Put it in track mode now. And here's track mode. You guys wondered? Wow, it changed the sound. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Oh, it's got a huge pop in track mode. Without the pop, it's 114. Don't go all the way up to like 4,000. That 109 to 111. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it after we change it out. So, you guys can see what it looks like under here. The Dark Horse. The only thing different is the mufflers. The rest of the exhaust is the same. There's the valve system on it that opens at different portions to give it more sound. Okay, there's the valve inside. You see it? There's the mechanism for it. We're not touching any of that. All we're doing is changing this resonator for this X-Pipe. Anyways, so we're gonna take this resonator out and put it in its place. The rest of it looks the same. Stock cats, flex pipe, all that good stuff. All right, stay tuned. Look at the Brimbos on this Dark Horse, guys. Jeez. You would think they'd be slotted though. I don't know why they're not. That's one upgrade I would do. Let's see if the back ones are slotted. Nope. Same thing. The Dark Horse has been completed. Did you feed the Dark Horse?
Oh yeah.
He fed the Dark Horse. With what? X-Pipe hay?
The souls of my enemies.
The souls of his enemies. Woo! You know, they should have it like with fire coming out of its nose. That'd be cool.
So like red headlights?
Yeah, or red headlights too. Back to business. So there it is, factory converter. And then we took the resonator out and replaced it with this sexy X pipe that he brought. Used one, but he brought it, so we put it on. 2.5 inch right there. 2.5 inch out the back all the way. Stock mufflers with the valves built in, as you guys heard earlier. So let's see how much of a difference it makes when it comes to sound after we took the resonator out. There's a Dark Horse emblem waiting and looking at me. It's a lot louder now. Again. So that's in normal mode, comfort mode, 110. Again. Put it in track mode. Here's sound decibels. 113. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 115. 116. All right, go ahead and back it up. What do you expect, man? They're stuck, bro. Dude, it's not that serious. Anyways. These people sometimes, man. Crazy. Crazy people. Is it still in track? Normal. Go ahead. That's normal mode. Drag strip. Look at him surfing. Surfing USA.
Everybody's gone surfing, surfing USA.
So that's drag strip. All right. Time to hear it on the inside, guys. But if you guys don't know, this thing's pushing 500 horsepower from the factory. 0 to 60, I think, is in 4.1 or 4.1 seconds, I think it is. I read. I don't remember. Still sounds good, though. Dark Horse Mustang. We just installed an X pipe on this beast. That's a cold start. He's picking it up now. warm up. You guys got. Woo! I love it. Better? Our first dark horse of many more to come. Mustang community, unite! Bring dark horses down to exhaust them. Peace mode! You love it. Not a bad drive off at all. He's gonna come back this way now. I told him to go this way first. Now he's gonna give us a drive-by too. Because, you know, why not? He handled it good too. I love it. Beautiful dark horse, man. Enjoy, guys.